Talk to your body. Learn to heal your body. Lose weight easily. Become healthy. Reverse aging. It's all possible with the law of attraction. Hi, everyone. Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle. And we're always flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. We believe in your personal empowerment on this channel. That's exactly what we do. We bring you personal empowerment. We believe you deserve the money you desire, the love you crave, and the health and healing and happiness that you depend on. So today we're talking about healing your own body. And it begins with understanding that you have this inborn natural intelligence that flows through your body. Now understand, high flyers, this intelligence is timeless. It's bornless. And it has no beginning. It has no end. It's really the energy, the spirit that gives you life, that animates you. Now, some of the ancients would call it the holy guardian angel, that within your microcosm, within your energy field, is this eternal intelligence that is oftentimes referred to as the holy guardian angel, or the Greek mystery schools referred to it as the higher genius or the higher self. So we're going to call it the higher self, but it's really infinite intelligence. And it's important for you to understand that, because if it is infinite intelligence, it is infinite healing as well. And it's not way out here, it's right here within you. So high flyers, let's take a look at my little diagram that I drew up here. This is you right there. And here is your higher self. And here's your ego. And this is your body. Now, in the ancient mystery schools of the Kabbalah, this was the neshama, this was the ruach, and this was the nefesh. And this is the animal self. This is the part of you that just likes to have fun. It just likes to feel good. This is the part of you that tells yourself all kinds of things, limiting beliefs, doubts, and that maybe that you're bigger than you really are, you know? But this is the part of you that's always truthful. It always knows who you are. It knows what you are. It knows what you need and how to heal yourself. So the ancients understood that one of the secrets to self-healing was to step into this higher vibrational energy, to literally bring this energy down into your life and bring it into your body where it was needed. So one of the things we do is we don't want to operate through the corporal mind or through our natural mind. We can't bring about healing through the ego. That's just not going to happen. There's no healing taking place there. The ego may decide to go to a doctor. It may decide to take a pill, but the ego itself is not the healing energy, the vibratory healing energy that has the potential to heal your body. Okay, so understand that we want to move out of our corporal mind and into our divine mind. We really have two minds. We have a corporal mind and a divine mind, or our higher self. This is where we want to be connected. So there are a number of ways to do this. One of the ways is to visualize infinite white light above your head. And visualize this light and feel it, connect to it until it is so real, so absolutely real in your mind that And I like to do this at night in a completely dark room. And it's amazing because the light literally illuminates the room. You won't believe me until you try it, but it does. So you have this light above your room. And I see it as kind of a big ball of light. Now that kind of indicates, kind of points to the nature of some of the medieval paintings of the halo, how they saw the saints and holy people with halos. What it was really saying esoterically is that these people were living at a higher state of consciousness. The good news, high flyers, is that the earth has been and is going through an ascension process right now where it is easier to connect with your higher divine self. So I meditate, I breathe in, fourfold breath, in through the nose for 4 seconds, hold it for 4 seconds, out for 4 seconds, empty for 4 seconds. And I focus only on my breath. And then I visualize and I connect to this light. And then as I start breathing in, I breathe the light into my body. Into my body. Now I begin talking to my body. Where do you need this increased light? Where do you need this higher vibrational energy? Oh, well, I have a bad back. I strain my back from moving. So I send the light to that area and let it pool in the area that needs healing. At the same time, as I am connecting to this higher source energy, it is taking over my corporal mind. In other words, I'm surrendering my corporal mind to this higher mind. And then words like, I am healing my body. I am bringing new life to my heart. I am reducing the wrinkles on my face. And whatever it is that you need. But first, you might want to stop as you feel this light above your head, you might want to talk to your higher self. But at some point, you have to connect with the higher self and speak as the higher self. Let the higher self speak through your body. I don't want to call it downloading. I don't want to call it channeling. I don't know what I want to call it. Because your consciousness, your ego is not gone. It's not evaporated. It hasn't disappeared. It's still present. But you just know that you are in a sacred space with that infinite intelligence. And it is now speaking through you. It's as Neville Goddard says, you don't pray to God, you pray as God. So then I send the light down into the area of my body that needs healing. If you have a heart problem, you'll want to send it there. If you have a bad back, you'll want to send it there. If you have fibromyalgia, you may want to send it to your whole body. If you're suffering from depression, you may want to just bring it down and send it to your subconscious mind, your fears and your doubts and your anxiety. But whatever it is, you can send this beautiful energy to that spot. Talk to your body. Where do you need the energy sent? It's amazing. I had a migraine headache. It was just killing. This is years ago. It was just killing me. I had tried everything. Nothing was working. I could get no relief. And I began using this technique. And I asked my body, where do you want the energy sent? And my body said, send it to your feet. It didn't make sense. The problem was in my head. I sent the energy into my feet. And my migraine, it disappeared like that. So nowadays, when I work on people physically that have a migraine, I work on their feet and I draw that excessive energy down from their head and ground it out in their feet. Talk to your body, heal your body. Namaste. Have a great day. And here's some other videos to help you on your journey.